Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So finally, I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. Ngayon na lang ako ulit nag-makeup tutorial, so please bear with me. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to create this lava-inspired eye makeup. At nakuha ko yung inspirasyon na to sa winning gown ng ating bagong Miss Universe na si Catriona Gray. Congratulations, Queen! Grabe, ang galing niya. She really deserves it. Ang galing niya talaga. And nakaka-proud lang na napunta ulit sa atin yung corona. Ang galing mo, Catriona. Sobrang nakakatawa. So, that gown was actually inspired by the Mayon Volcano. So, basically, lava-inspired siya. So, yun yung colors niya. Red, gold, orange, brown, black. It's really awesome. I really love the colors. At naisip kong gawing inspirasyon yung winning gown ng ating Miss Universe 2018. Bongga. So, if you wanna know how I created this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So, I'm already almost done with the other eye. Hindi pa siya finished kasi hindi pa ako naglalagay ng false eyelashes. Anyway, today we're going to use this Delanci Eyeshadow Palette. Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang pigmented nila, considering na ang mura nila. So, pwede siyang maging dupe ng Morphe palettes kasi pigmented talaga. Lalo na yung orange niya. Ayun, no? Oh, diba? Oh, nakakaloka. Okay, so unahin natin yung orange shade na yan. I'm just going to apply that here. Pero wag nyo masyadong taasan, baka masobrahan kasi pagka binlend nyo yan, tataas pa yung kulay niya kapag binlend nyo. This one is the INGLOT Eye Essentials na shader brush. I'm just going to gently blend the edges of that orange eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use this red-orange shade. And I'm just going to basically apply it on top of that orange eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to blend it again. Tanggalin lang yung mga harsh lines. Guys, it's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial. So please bear with me. Hindi na yata ako marunong. Okay, ngayon naman maglalagay tayo ng red eyeshadow. Red eyeshadow na to from the same Delanci Eyeshadow Palette. And this one we're going to apply on our lids. I'm just actually pressing on the pigment. So again, taking that shader brush, I'm just blending everything for that seamless finish. Okay, now I'm using this Too Faced chocolate gold, and this is what it looks like inside. Ang ganda ng colors, guys. Oh my goodness, nakikita niyo ba yan? I'm going to use the black shade. So I'm just using this pencil brush from the Dress Up eyeshadow set. Focus tayo sa outer corners. Huwag kayong masyadong manggigil agad sa paglagay ng eyeshadow, especially kapag gumagamit kayo ng mga dark shades, lalo na tong black na to. So, ang maganda dito, you just, you know, slowly build up the color and then slowly blending it in. Papasok sa crease. Dahan-dahan lang. And ang technique, dapat magaan lang ang kamay mo. Huwag kayong masyadong manggigil. Okay, after natin maglagay ng black eyeshadow, punta naman tayo sa lower lash lines. So, I'm just using a smudger brush to apply that red eyeshadow. Orange eyeshadow naman, i-blend ko lang siya doon sa edge nung red eyeshadow. Ilalagay na natin yung gold pigment. So, first, I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Hour as a base. And this is in the shade Gold Rush. So, this one is the Flat Definer 212. Pantayin nyo siya dun sa kabila. So, tingnan-tingnan nyo lang. Unti-unti. Okay. Okay. Ito na ang magsisilbing nagniningas dun sa lava. Take your time in applying this para straight na straight talaga yung linya. Okay, we're going to take again this Too Faced Chocolate Gold, and I'm going to take the shade Famous. At ilalagay natin yan dun sa ibabaw ng gold. So, para dito sa mga dulo, para precise pa rin yung line, I'm going to use this E10 Smudger brush from the INGLOT Eye Essentials. Now, I'm going to get this shade Chocolate Gold. Ito, yung gold na talaga. Ilalagay ko lang yun sa inner half nitong gold base natin. Kita nyo, mas lumiwanag siya. Okay, sunod naman, gagamitin natin tong medyo mas dark na red shade. And ilalagay natin yun dun sa outer part nung gold. Kung saan mag-meet yung gold at yung black. Parang lang magkaroon siya ng gradient effect, ng pagka-lava effect na. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayun, yung red pigment. So, be sure to blend the edges para meron pa rin siyang gradient effect. And I'm just going to use this Tarte Silk Amazonian Clay Eyeliner. I'm just going to apply that sa waterline at sa lower lash lines. Okay guys, so napansin nyo naglagay na ako ng false eyelashes dito kasi namatay yung camera. So, chinarge ko muna siya habang nag-charge siya. Ginamit ko yung oras na yun para ilagay na yung false eyelashes. So, now we're just going to simply line the upper lash line and I'm going to use my favorite Karadium Waterproof Eyeliner Pen. I got this from Siley Melissa Yuri. Focus ba? Ayan, Karadium. Linyahan ko lang yung taas. Habang pinapatuyo ko yan, maglalagay na ako ng highlighter sa inner corner. First, gagamitin ko muna tong J.Cat Pris-metal. And this is in the shade Chrome Galaxy. Wow, really, really love this. Now, we're going to take this Delanci eyeshadow palette again. I'm going to take this satin finished na light orange shade. Ayan siya. Ilalagay natin yan sa ibabaw nung ating Pris-metal na Chrome Mousse eyeshadow. So, ngayong tuyo na yung ating eyeliner, maglalagay na tayo ng false eyelashes. And today's eyelashes na ginamit ko dito, itong Bohktoh. Ito yung bago nilang eyelashes. This is actually their 3D false eyelashes. Ayan, yung itsura niya. And this is in the code 3D01. Bago nila yan. 160 pesos per pair lang. Try nyo. Magkita nyo. Ayan o. Diba? And then, for my mascara, I'm going to use this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And don't forget the bottom lashes. Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa mata. Nalagay ko na yung false eyelashes. Ito na yung finished product ng ating eye look. Wow! Nag-contour na rin ako kasi nalobat na naman yung camera. Ang ginamit ko, yung ABH or Anastasia Beverly Hills na contour kit na light to medium. Ayan. Ngayon tapos na tayo mag-contour, maglalagay na tayo ng blush and ng highlighter. At ang gagamitin ko, ito yung paborito ko ngayon. So, this is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I really, really love this palette. Bukod sa maganda yung packaging niya, tignan nyo naman. Ang ganda rin ng highlighter niyan. Sobra. Akala ko nung una hindi siya magiging pigmented. Pero I was wrong. Sorry, Too Faced, na underestimate kita. Today, we're going to use this highlighter kasi gold highlighter siya, nagtututong siya. Pero maglalagay muna tayo ng blush and I'm going to use the shade Pink Sand right here. So I'm just taking my powder brush to blend everything. Now, it's time for the fun part and that is applying highlighter. So I'm just going to use this tapered blending brush. Kunin na natin yung highlighter na satin sheets, yung nag-gold pigment na yan. Guys. Ooh. Oh my god. I hope that you can see it clearly sa video. Pero ang ganda. Look at that glow. Yan din gagamitin ko pang highlight ng nose bridge. Pero daliri ko lang yung gagamitin ko. Taking again the same brush, I'm going to apply on my Cupid's bow. Liberally. Yung parang isang taon na kung hindi naglagay ng highlighter. Kaya dadamihan ko siya. So, for the lip color, ang i-recommend ko para sa look na to, you can use either a red shade or a nude shade or something na parang brown. Okay, so first, you can try this lip color. So, this is actually a brown lipstick. And I used this for the very first time, this INGLOT Jennifer Lopez collection. And I'm using the shade Brandy. And this is what it looks like. I really, really love it. Ang ganda, guys. You can actually add lip gloss on top kung gusto nyo yung parang glossy-glossy na look. Pero kung gusto nyo yung medyo matte yung finish niya, you can stick with this one. naman, pwede kayong gumamit ng red lipstick. And that's what I'm wearing today. Pero yung pagka-red nito, medyo may pagka-orange brown siya. Para talagang pasok pa rin siya dun sa lava theme natin. And I'm just using my Black Rouge Air Velvet lip tint. Lip tint lang to. Pero diba, ang ganda. Air Velvet lip tint. And this in the shade A03. You can find this in my CHARIS shop. You can get this in my CHARIS shop. Lalagay ko yung link sa baba nitong Black Rouge na to. Guys, ang ganda. Puro red shades yung meron siya. Pero iba-ibang klase ng red shade. So, kung interesado kayo sa mga red lippy and yung mga texture na air velvet, ang ganda talaga. I can't describe it. Yung parang walang nakalagay sa lips mo. Pero ang pigmented niya. I actually prefer this more than the brown lipstick yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. This is the final makeup look. Makeup look na inspired sa lava gown or Mayon Volcano inspired gown ni Catriona Gray na sinuot niya nung coronation night na gawa ni Mak Tumang. Sobrang ganda talaga. I really love yung ibong adar na inspired as well, yung ginamit niya nung preliminaries. Pero mas gusto ko yung colors nung lava inspired, yung Mayon Volcano inspired kasi mas marami yung color. And it's her winning gown. Hello! And sobrang natuwa lang ako sa pagkapanalo niya. So congratulations again, Catriona Gray, for raising the flag of the Philippines. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud lang talaga. Dalang-dala niya talaga and she really deserves it. She deserves the crown and she deserves that title, the Miss Universe 2018. So that's it. If you have any, questions regarding this makeup look, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet here in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa mga future videos natin. And thank you so much for still, continuing to support this YouTube channel. You'll see more, and I hope to see you in the next video, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission.